operation on producing fresh centrifuged virgin coconut oil. The coconuts we get here are the traditional, we call it Katigan variety. At present, because what we can produce can be sold, we schedule harvesting of coconuts based on the capacity of our factory. So right now, we need about 25,000 kilos of coconuts in a day. So that is what we also harvest daily. For that size of jar, 425 grams, that would need about 6 coconuts, 6 1 kilo coconuts. Well, the best age of the coconut to be harvested is 12 months, meaning from the time that it has become a flower, 12 months after it becomes fully mature. That's the best time because in that kind of age of the coconut fruit, we get the highest oil content and the highest lauric acid content. If it's the first time that you harvest it, you can immediately detect which is ripe for harvest through the color. The fully mature coconut is brown in color, and that's the 12th month. The 11th month is a mixture of yellowish or a little greenish and brown. So that's what will tell you that this coconut is to be harvested. But if you are harvesting it already regularly, then it just become a matter of schedule. So like for example, if you harvest now, 2 months after you harvest again, plus additional 10 days to make sure that there is no immature coconut that is included in the harvest.
Nag-coordinate ko sa mga farmers, then nag-schedule sa ilang farm kano sa sila mag-harvest, then before sa ilang harvest schedule, nagabisita ko sa farm para sa inspection na abay mga chemical contamination, tapos nagbisita ko sa before harvest and after harvest. The process that we have do here to the factory first is harvesting. We harvest the coconut. After the harvested the coconut tree, we pile the scattered coconut, and we put a plug in the pile of coconut so that the carrotonero or the hauling with the use of cart with carabao can easily see the pile of coconut. Then in piling also, we have already the record so that if how many nuts they gathered. And in hauling with cart, we also have record so that if how many nuts he collected. Then after gathering the carrotonero or hauling with carts, the hauling truck will go to the farm and pick the gathered coconut. Then the hauling personnel will count one by one and record the overall total of coconuts that carried by the hauling truck. And then if the hauling truck will arrive to the factory, they unload immediately and put a label so that to prevent mix up of other coconut.